What's up, everybody? I haven't made a video in a while, just been kind of bumming it, I guess, trying to figure out what to film. But I did figure out some cool stuff while I was playing around, doing stuff with my girlfriend, trying to film some stuff or photo shoots and stuff like that. Hopefully you like the atmosphere I created. It's got a crazy background here that I green screened in. I got a blue gel behind me and a pink gel in front of me, and I really wanted to kind of show you guys a real super inexpensive way to do this. I'm not really sure if the green screen side is going to work, but that's kind of my experiment, and hopefully that's cool. I'm sitting in the Evo right now. I wanted to basically just build up to shooting small films or short films, not small, short films, and kind of doing some cool stuff like that in the future. More cinematic, more dynamic, more just thought out and really cool stuff. Because I normally just shoot car shows and then whatever we got going on in vlogs, but I wanted to add a little bit more to this, kind of get more into the photography side of stuff. Just kind of a mix and match. I did go drifting recently, and I didn't even get to film any of that. My GoPro died, so I was like, whatever. And I finished my motor. My motor's completely assembled now, but it's not in the car, so that'll be after, future vlog stuff. But anyways, let me jump to showing you how I got this all set up. Okay, so starting on the outside, here's the camera setup. It is my EOS R with a 50mm. It's at 1.4. On the hood of the car, it's the first LED. This light right here is from Home Depot. It's like 12 bucks. Here's the second one. It's in the back. It's behind the roll cage. Kind of see it in there. It is on a Manfrotto travel stand with a super clamp at the top holding the light in place. It's just literally propped up. And then on top of the car is just a cheap LED bulb on a small light stand. We got those with a green screen kit someone gave me. Super cheap stuff. The whole kit I think is like 30, 40 bucks. And then my green screen. I have my green screen kind of laid out here. It's a foldable green screen. B&H sells these. I think they're like 50 bucks or something like that. I originally used it for gaming, but nothing too crazy. And okay, so now that you saw the camera setup and how we had it laid out in the Evo, I basically just wanted to show you guys the lights and everything. So here's the light. It's really terribly wrapped in. See, this is what it looks like with the gels on it. It's just laid on here. You can definitely do a better job of this than I did. I gaff taped it on the back. It's just really done so you can't see it. You can basically use these as almost like a fake Astera or a fake Kazar light. It doesn't do all the effects and all that stuff, of course, but you can mount them up on the wall. You can do stuff like a tube light like that. This one's gelled a little bit better than the blue one that I have. I did a better job of doing it. I mean, you can see how just outside of the frame, with my body blocking it, how nice it lights the background. I did a quick montage, or kind of a cinematic real quick, of the motor. I wasn't really going to show you guys yet, because I was going to do this in another video, but check that out real quick. Okay, so yeah, back to this light here, and it's pretty straightforward. I mean, they're just LED tubes. You can get them at Home Depot. I don't know if I haven't seen these in a while, but basically any LED strip type of thing like this that looks similar to this, you can use. You just mount them up. You can use nails to screw them down to stuff. You can sit them against things. You can tuck them away. You can keep them off camera. You can do stuff like that. It's super inexpensive. I mean, these were $12 when I bought them. I've seen ones that are 20 bucks. It's definitely cheaper than a $400 Astera or something like that. If you're on a budget and you're just trying to do what you can to make things work. And the gels obviously are $6, I believe. Here, I'll cut to a scene that I shot in Michael's. So this is in the gift wrapping aisle or something like that. It's what you'd put in bags as clear plastic, but yeah, you can use them to gel the lights. That's the blue down there, kind of a pinkish color, purple. There's a darker blue, green, gold. So you can definitely get some crazy lighting effects out of this. So yeah, that was in the gift wrap aisle. It was cellophane, I believe that's the word. And it's meant for wrapping packages, and you can shrink wrap them, so I guess you can take heat to these. So they shouldn't burn when you get, the light gets too hot, but LED lights don't get super hot or anything like that. So it should work out really well. Yeah, I guess that's really it. hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped a little bit, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, yeah, by the way, please like and subscribe if you don't already, and if you're wondering how I'm powering these things, it's an old Vagabond Mini from a strobe kit from Alien Bees way back when. Anyways, alright, see you guys.